It's like Christmas morning, but in January right now. Like legit, Christmas morning in January. We have another camera, y'all. I'll get into details at a later date on why I'm doing all this stuff with the camera. But the OG is back, man. The OG is back. We back on crop sensor, y'all. We on the crop sensor, man. Let's get into this unboxing of the Sony A6700. Let's get into it real quick. I'm excited for this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm shooting right now, so the camera I'm shooting on right now is the Sony A7C2. But like I said, on a later date, I'll give my reasoning on why I'm doing this. But let's get into the unboxing. On top of the box, we have, as you already know, paperwork. Set you up right over there. Let me put you up here. So ghetto. From the Bronx. Ghetto unboxing. Pull up. All right, in the box, we get the arm strap or shoulder strap, whatever you want to call it. Put that on the side. I'm trying to get the little stuff out the way first. I don't know what this paper's for. Yo, packaging has gotten so trash lately, but shout out to Sony. At least y'all trying. Most of these other companies, they go crazy with the packaging. Get some dookie stuff. All right, so we have a eye cap, EV cap, whatever you want to call it. We also have the battery. See that? Y'all probably seen a million unboxings, but you ain't never seen an unboxing like this, all right, B? Sit your ass right there. And here we go. Oh, my God. My God. A6700, y'all. I probably ran through every camera of the 6000 series. I've had the one that had the flip up screen. I had the A6300. I pretty much had every the 6000 series camera, except for like 2 of them. But yeah, I like it. I like it. Let's put the battery in. See if we got some juice. Oh, and we have a lens for it. This is gonna be the new setup, y'all. Let's see the way. Oh, there you go. Crop sensor. I'm coming from a full frame. Don't get me wrong. I love my full frame still. But I also like my stuff to be a little compact. This is so light. Boom. Do we have juice? Yes, we have juice. All right. Let me set this up real quick and let's see how this looks. Be right back. So unfortunately, we don't have enough juice, and it's telling me to do stuff with the app. I don't know if you can see that. You see that? No. So what I will do is I'll get out there, shoot a video with this. But I just wanted to be a quick unboxing of the new setup. This is this is me. This is what I'm doing now. I'm staying with the small rigs. This is a lot more compact. If y'all know me, y'all know I like to run around with this guy right here. The Osmos, the action cameras. This is my thing. Running around with the A7C2, like I said, on a later day, I'll give you more detail of how I feel about that camera. But for right now, this feels really dope. This feels dope. This feels really good, not too heavy. I really like this. But anyway, if you want to see more on this camera and this lens, rate, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.